So I just discovered this exhibition in the EPFL pavillion, and it's extraordinary. It's got this countryside with kind of marshy countryside with lots of weird creatures in it. And see, here they're not quite. Yeah, and then they come out kind of like snakes, but lots of them, like flying about. It's amazing. Oh, my camera doesn't give the idea of the colors, but the colors are really vivid. Oh, it's amazing. I mean, it makes a big impact. Actually quite mesmerizing, because you're kind of wondering what's going to happen next. It's kind of like life. Lots of weird and wonderful things happening. It's amazing, wonderful. This is a name. I mean, just how powerful nature is, really. Other creatures on Earth. I love it. This is all the people here. And here, what's going on here? Oh, this is more intellectual. I like this one here. Wow. It's changing all the time. There's this thing. This seems to be engraving. It goes together with the film. Merci. Okay, hey. Total immersion, underwater world.